Wine slow, girl you a put on a fine show. Me glad say me fine yo. Make you stop work, start mine yo. I am front. You see the body there. Me want bring in a me place and lock you way. You see the body there. I feel the lyrical.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm coming back with another wig review, and this hair is from a company called Ayiyi hair. So alongside of the hair came with a pack of lashes, a wig cap which I'm wearing in this video, a headband, a clip and a bag to put your little essentials in, and an edge brush. The cap construction of this wig comes with 4 combs plus a sewn on elastic band and an adjustable strap at the back. The only thing that I did not like about this elastic band which they sewed onto the wig was that they sewed it onto the actual lace and you could see it through the lace. So what I did was went in and cut it off. Yeah guys, so that was that, and they sent me over their 12-inch straight bob wig, and it did come pre-plucked, and I received it in the colour 1B natural black. So the wig did not come in these 2 different colours. So what I wanted to do with this wig was switch it up a little bit. I didn't want to just leave it as a natural black. I wanted to try something different. So what I did to get that exact colour was that I parted out the front and I bleached it first with my True Lights powder bleach, and I used my True Zone cream peroxide in 40% volume. And after I let that sit for about 10 to 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes, I then went in and washed it out, and then I went in to go dye it with my red dye, and this is from a company called Directions, and it is in the colour Pillar Box Red, so it is a very vibrant bright red. And mind you guys, I purchased all those items that I mentioned from Amazon, and that's how I achieved this look guys. And this hair is very soft, it has a decent amount of parting space, it's true to length. The fullness of this wig is amazing, and the lace melts really well into the skin. So to me, I don't have that much complaints about this hair. And if some of you guys are sitting there thinking, why did she sit there and dye it red? Listen baby, I want it to be different. I don't want to be like these other YouTubers. I want to be different, okay? But no guys, I'm just kidding. Yeah, I just wanted to try something new. I haven't seen this anywhere on YouTube, so I just wanted to be the first to give it a go. So you're just seeing me at the moment styling this hair, and then you're going to see me create some baby hairs, and then I'll come back and let you guys know my thoughts about the end results. yeah guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching me style and install this hair. I really like the end result. It came out straight fire. I love the two-toned color. I love the feel of this hair, feels like butter, and I just love everything about this wig, period. And I'm so happy that the wig turned out the way I wanted to, the color and everything and so on forth. And I will also come back and give you guys an update in a few months time just to see how this hair is holding up. And I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.